Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video I'm going to be making another version of the shawarma, the video that I already posted, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box so you can check it out also. So let's see how it's different from the other way, and trust me, this way is much better than the other one. You must try it out. So we are going to be using some spices, of course, and we have paprika, we have curry powder, we have our instant noodle masala, and then some chili flakes. We have our Royco cube, we have meat tenderizer. The fine one is meat tenderizer, half a teaspoon. Then we have this that is salt. You put according to your taste. And then we have our cumin powder, we have turmeric, and my all-time favorite, black pepper. Then we will be needing some oil, some cooking oil. So in a bowl of washed meat, this is goat's meat, I'm going to go in with half a tablespoon of cornstarch. All the spices on the plate go in at once, and then I will add in a few tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'll mix this up until every meat piece is covered with spices. And this is the final product. This is what we have so far, and you can choose to leave this in the fridge for about 30 minutes, or you can just do it there and then like I did. So this time around we are not pan frying, we are oven baking the meat. So we put our seasoned meat in a baking bowl and then spread it out to make sure it's all together, like there are no spaces in the bowl. It's already looking juicy. I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. And this is how we look like. This is how it's looking like halfway through. Just after 45 minutes, here we are, and this is how delicious, this is how juicy it is. I wish someone tries this recipe like already, because the flavors from this meat were heavenly. So I'm going to put a few on the side on the chopping board, and I'm going to chop them up into small and manageable pieces. However, you can do this before you actually season the meat, before you do anything else to the meat, but also cutting it after it has cooked has clearly no problem. Also, you can put in those big chunks if you can really manage them, but then for my case I just want small so that every bite has a meat. And today we will be using chapatis. Guys, I have a video about how to make these chapatis, so you check it out. For the filling, we are going to be using coleslaw, pickled cucumbers, pickled onions. Guys, today is flavor and juice. Then of course the main ingredient, the meat. We put it there. Add on some coleslaw. If you don't know how to make coleslaw, I've also made a video about it, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Please check it out, remember. And then this is how it's looking like. God, is this a Rolex? Is it a shawarma? I don't know how to call it, but then this was the most tasty, the most juicy and flavorful thing I've ever eaten. So I'll be leaving all the spices, the measurements of the spices and everything I used in the description box. Please check it out. And yeah, here we are. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope someone tries this recipe and lets me know how it turns out, because to me, man, this was like the best thing I'd ever eaten, and I would do this over and over again. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, because we have a long way to go and learn more new things together. See you soon in my next video. Bye.